Thanks again for enrolling in this course. We will be learning the OSHA standard for 29 CFR 1926 Subpart P. This course will not only educate you and enable you to that standard, but it will also create in you a more well-rounded safety operator. Your company will look to you to save injuries, lives, and money due to the expertise that you will gain. Think of the psychological effects of worksite accidents. Think of those effects on not just your fellow workers, but on your spouse or your child. Imagine them seeing you injured, in pain and suffering. We all have families and responsibilities. Saving you the pain and suffering is my goal in this course. Let's avoid the negative effects that prohibit us from enjoying life due to injuries and accidents sustained on the job. There are many effects to even just witnessing an accident or witnessing a cave-in. Imagine seeing your colleague being pulled, his or her lifeless body, from a trench cave-in. After that's cleaned up, the job still keeps going. And now you're going to be asked to get into that same trench. Use the tools in this course to avoid any type of situation that's going to place your life at risk when getting into that trench, or any type of situation that might exist at all on the job site. This course will enable you to do so. I look forward to seeing you in the next lectures. Take care, and God bless.